Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to resume Airbnb.org donations. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. On this page, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Airbnb.org Donations. Here you will see that your donations are currently paused. To resume, click on the button that says Resume Donations. That's how you resume Airbnb.org donations. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.